Get power and speed in an ultra-compact size with the 12-volt max CXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Impact Driver Kit. The slide-style lithium-ion battery and a more compact size gives you more comfort and more capacity with the speed and torque you need for driving and fastening in tight spaces. The compact size and ergonomically designed handle with rubberized soft grip means superior comfort, job after job. The slide-style battery enables the tool to stand on its own and includes an onboard LED charge level indicator. For longer runtime, pick up the 4-amp-hour battery. Makita 12-volt max CXT tools are equipped with a battery protection circuit, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the expanding 12-volt max CXT series, giving you more comfort and more capacity in a more compact size.